Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Pin Your Story. I'm Prabhat and today I'm going to talk about how to create a business account on Pinterest. Like you all know, creating a business account or creating an account on any social media platform such as Instagram, Facebook, or LinkedIn is super easy. You just need to click on sign up, use your email address, password, and certain personal information such as name, date of birth, and then click on next, and then you're good to go. Okay, it's that simple. Similarly, Pinterest also works in the same fashion. However, some people find it difficult to create a business account, or even if they create a business account, they find it difficulty in understanding whether it is the right way of creating it. Okay, because Pinterest has three different ways to create a business account. First one is you can create a standalone business account in one go. Second one is you can convert your personal account to a main business account. And the third one is you can have your personal account, but you can also link a business account under your personal account. So there are three different ways that can create a confusion for some people. So this video is going to be useful for those people. Okay. In case you are aware of the business account creation process, feel free to share your suggestion or feedback. Now, without wasting any further minute, let's jump into the video. Okay. So this is how it looks like, when you type in pinterest.com on the URL. This is the page that you will land on. Okay. Now there are two options, login and sign up. In case you already have an account, you can click on login and log into the account. But because we are talking about creating a business account for the first time, so you need to click on sign up. Okay. The moment you click on sign up, you will come across this form where you need to enter your email address, password, age, and click on continue. But if you look carefully, this actually, if you enter this form, enter the details into this form, this will create a personal account. So if you scroll down, you will find create a free business account. But because of this form, most of the pinners or the users, they end up creating a personal account first, and then with their usage they realize it and they convert it to business account later. But in case you want to create a business account directly, you can also scroll down and click on this create a free business account, enter same details like email address, password, date of birth, and create an account. Okay. So but most of the people, what they find it difficulty, so they create a personal account first, and then they later convert it to a business account, or they link a business account under that personal account. Okay. So because I already have a demo account, so I'll just show you how to convert your personal account into a business account, and how to link a standalone, how to link a business account under your personal account. So let's just click on login because I already have a test account. So I'm just clicking on this because I logged in on the system before. So let's just log into my account. Now this is the home feed. Okay, the moment you log into your Pinterest account, the page that you will come across is the home feed. So the when you are creating your account for the first time, before you finish up, it will ask you to select certain ideas, such as it can be any idea. For my account, I selected in home decor, designing ideas, bedroom ideas, living room ideas, and anime and certain other fashion related stuff, um, content creation related ideas. I have selected those, so my home feed is filled with those suggestions. So whatever ideas that you select, your home feed will be designed in accordingly. You can also change your home feed later. We will talk about it. You can find that option in the settings page. So you can anytime you can change your home feed. We will talk about it in the separate video. Now, without uh, wasting any further minute, let's move on to the setting page. The moment you click on your setting page, you need to go to the account management section. So in the account management section, you can convert your account, deactivate your account, and delete account. So we will talk about deactivate and delete account in the separate video. For now, let's focus on convert account. Okay. So as you can see, convert it to a business account. because currently if you click on this drop down, it clearly shows my account, which is pin your story. It's currently a personal account. Now if I want to convert it to a business account, click on convert. It will show you what are the benefit, what are the advantages that you will get once you convert it to a business account. Click on upgrade. The moment you upgrade, it will ask you again certain additional details. Okay, because I actually created it previously. I entered my brand name and other information, so that's the reason it did not ask me. Because if you look at here, it just took me directly to the. But I can always edit it. So here you get it business type, right? So you can change it to publisher or media. I mean, because I run a digital marketing platform, so I'm selecting publisher or media, but based on your business type you can change it. Now also, what are your goals? My goal is to create content and grow brand awareness, so I am saving it. So similarly, you can also save your goals and business type. You can also change the country, because I am from India, so I have selected India and language English. You can also change it. Okay, now if you go to the drop down, now you can see the account has been converted to a business account. So now you have a business account directly. Okay, so after using the business account for a certain time, you if you realize that the business account is not suitable for you or not the right option for you, and you want to go back to the personal account mode, you can do it anytime. There is an option, same option, you have to go settings, go to account management. Now here you have this option, convert your account to personal. You click on it. Again, it will show you that it will be converted to a personal account. Click on convert. Done. Just confirm, go to drop down, and you can see the name has been changed to personal. Okay, now this has been converted to a personal account. Now again, if you want to have a separate business account and also continue to use Pinterest for your personal purposes, so you can also do that by linking a business account under your personal account. How you can do that is go to the add account option. The moment you click on add account, there are three options you will come across: connect existing account, create a new personal account, or create a free business account. So you need to click on create under free business account. Now you will come across this form. But if you enter the email address, password, date of birth, it will create a standalone business account. So you have to be very careful. Scroll down and you will find create a link business account, which is a slightly different. It's same account. I mean, it's the same feature like a business account. Same, everything is same, but it will be linked under your personal account. Okay, so that is the difference. Now you need to click on link business account, create a link business account, and done. The moment you click on create link business account, a link business account will be created under your personal account. Now I was talking about these option earlier, that when you are creating a business account for the first time, main business account or link business account, it will ask you to enter certain details such as profile name. I'll mention in your story as my profile name. um then it will ask you to do whether you have a website. If you have a website, you can select, but at this time I do not have a website. Soon I will have my website and I can update it, so you can update your website later as well. So for now I have selected no. Click on next. The moment you click on next, it will ask you to what is the type of your brand. Because it is for only education, I selected education. Now grow brand awareness, create content. Click on next. Now it is asking me what is the what is the type of your business. Am I a blogger or what? So I will select publisher or media, because this is a digital marketing platform. Now click on next. This is asking me whether I'm interested in advertising. I selected yes, because I'm from India. At this time, advertising is not available in India. But still I selected, because in case in future advertising is available, I'll get the notification. Okay. Now you just go back to the drop down and you can see personal account and a business account is linked. So by linking a business account under your personal account, your credential remains the same. Credential means your email address and password remains the same. You just need to, when you are logging in, you just need to enter your email address and password for the personal account, and then you can switch to your link business account as well. I will show you how it is done. So I'll just log out. Okay, so I logged out from my account. See, now I'll click on login, use my credential for my Pinterest personal account. Okay, now it is logged into my personal account. See, this is personal account, and the more in the drop down, I mean, just below that, it shows the link business account as well. So you just need to click on it, and it will take you to your link business account. So the credential remains the same, but in case you are creating a standalone business account, for that you will need to enter a separate email address. Okay, separate email address and separate password. So but here, because this is linked to my personal account, so the credential remains the same. So these are the three type how you can have a business account on Pinterest. I'll just revise once for you. First one is create a free business account. I'll just show you once more. Just log out, and okay, because I was logged into my LBA, so link business account is, in short, you can call it as LBA, which is the abbreviation. Okay. Now click on sign up. The moment you click on sign up, this is the form that you will get. It is, if you are entering these detail, it will create a personal account. And if you are creating a personal account, you can convert it to a business account, or link a business account under that personal account. But if you directly want to go ahead and create a main business account or standalone business account, click on this one, enter the details, and create your business account. So this is how you can have a business account on Pinterest. So that is all about today's video. Feel free to share your suggestion and comments in this video. And apart from this, in case you already have an account and you need help with optimizing your ads or planning your ads, feel free to reach out to me. I will definitely be able to help you. So thank you so much for watching this video. Take care. Have fun.